Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. I'm Mohammed Sheikh. You are welcome to online classes arranged by St. Xavier's High School. Today we are going to take a class on English for class 8. For class 8 English, of course, we are going to discuss about some grammatical points today. Today, our topic is parts of speech. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. Part means fraction. Of means air. In Bengali, of means air. Speech means sentence. So, part of a speech means part of a sentence. Part of a speech means part of a sentence. Then come to what is called part of a speech. Every meaningful word in a sentence is called part of a speech. Every meaningful word in a sentence is called part of speech. Dear students, one thing you should mind that every meaningful word in a sentence, if the word is not meaningful, it would not be called part of speech. Suppose I go to school. In this sentence, we have four words: subject, verb, preposition, and a noun. Of course, it's a complement. So these four words has their special separate meaning, and for this reason every word in this sentence is called a part of speech. Every word in this sentence is called part of speech. So dear friends, we have got that every meaningful word in a sentence is called part of speech. Then come to its classification. How many kinds of part of speeches are there? How many kinds of part of speeches are there? We have got at best 8 kind of part of speech. 8 kinds of part of speech in a sentence. Number 1, noun. Number 2, pronoun. Number 3, adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And last of all, number 8, interjection. Each of them has their own divisions. Each of the part of speech has their own divisions also. But first of all, we like to learn about the definitions of these part of speeches. First of all, noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. What is called a noun? The word which denotes to the name of some person, some place, some institution, quality, etc. is called a noun. It has divisions also. It has some kinds also. Then comes the pronoun. Pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a substitutory word. Pronoun is a substitutory word because it is used in place of a noun. Pronoun is used in place of a noun. So we have got the definition here very easily that the word which sits in place of a noun, which is used in place of a noun, is called a pronoun. Pronoun has its 8 divisions. We shall go there later on. Then come to adjective. Adjective. What's adjective? Adjective is a qualifying word. Adjective is a qualifying word. Its function is to qualify the noun or pronoun. So we have got that the word which qualifies the noun, especially the noun or pronoun, is called an adjective. Then come to adverb. Adverb also is a qualifying word because it also qualifies one or more words. Adverb qualifies verb, adverb qualifies adjective, also adverb qualifies itself. For this reason, adverb is also a qualifying word. Then what will be its definition? Its definition is that the word which qualifies verb, adjective and itself is called an adverb. The word which qualifies verb, adjective and itself is called an adverb. Then come to verb. Verb is an action word. What's verb? Verb is an action word. The word which denotes to something action is called a verb. Verb chapter is a vast chapter. We shall learn about verb later on. Then come to preposition. You see, pre and position, these two words altogether constitute preposition. So we have got that preposition sits before something. Naturally so, actually so. The word which sits before a noun or pronoun and expresses its relationship with other words in the sentence is called a preposition. Then come to conjunction. The word conjunct means link, conjunct means join. So you have got that the word which joins two words, two phrases, two clauses is called two sentences is called a conjunction. The word which joins, which links between two words, between two phrases, between two clauses and between two sentences is called a conjunction. An interjection expresses sudden expression of mind. Interjection expresses sudden expression of mind. It's called the word which expresses sudden expression of mind. The expression may be sorrowful, maybe joyful, maybe joyous, etc. So the word which expresses sudden expression of mind is called an interjection. Dear students, now we are going to discuss about noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection elaborately. We shall discuss about this part of speech elaborately, broadly. First of all, come to noun. Now we shall learn more about noun or nouns. At the very beginning, I've told that noun is a naming word. It denotes to the name of some person, some place, some object, some group, some quality. So, noun is of many kinds. How many kinds? Noun is of mainly two kinds: concrete noun and abstract noun. 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 Concrete noun, the nouns which can be seen, which can be touched, which can be felt are concrete noun. On the other hand, the names or the nouns which can't be touched, which can't be felt, which can't be seen, only felt, which can only be felt, is called abstract noun. Concrete noun is of four kinds. Number one, proper noun. Number two, common noun. Number three, material noun. And number four, collective noun. Collective noun. Proper noun, common noun, material noun, and collective noun. Now we are going to learn about these nouns more. Now we are going to learn more about these classifications of noun. Proper noun, special noun. In Bengali, bishesh noun. Special name, particular name. Proper noun means a particular name. Maybe it may be a person, a place. Person, Mr. Abir. Mr. Abir is the particular name of a boy. Khulna. Khulna is the name of a particular city. Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the name of a particular country. So, you say particular name is denoted by common noun. Common noun, sorry. Proper noun denotes to a particular name. Then come to common noun. Abir, Khulna, Bangladesh. Common noun. Commonly. It means commonly. You see, Abir is a boy. Particular boy is Abir. But only boy. When we say boy, any boy, or all boys, this is a common noun. Okay. If we see about city, Khulna is a particular city. Khulna is a particular city. But only city, any city, all cities. So city is common noun because it means commonly. And country, country. Bangladesh is a particular country, but only country. If we say country, it will mean any country, all countries together. So country is a common noun. Then come to material noun. Material noun. I'm writing with a pen. It's a material. I'm wearing a glass. It's a material. I have paper. I have mask. It's material. This is a chair. It's a material. This is a table. It's material. So the noun which will mean about an object or objects is called a material noun. Pen, chair, table, etc. These all are material noun. Then come to collective noun. Collective noun in Bengali it will be called samoshtigoto. Collective means samoshtigoto. Class, plate, committee, etc. Class, only student doesn't mean a class. A class is consist with students, blackboards, chair, tables, teachers, and all together form a class. So, class is a collective noun. Then fleet. Fleet means combination of many warships. Fleet means combination of many warships. So, fleet is a collective noun because many ships collectively called fleet. Then committee. Committee also. Committee means a chairman, a secretary, a chairman, one or more vice chairman, a secretary, joint secretary, assistant secretary, and many members, a cashier. Okay. These qualities, these persons all together collectively make the word committee. So committee is a collective noun. Okay, dear friends. Then we have learned about classification of noun, mainly two kinds: complete noun and abstract noun. Complete noun is of four kinds: proper noun, common noun, material noun, and collective noun. Then now we are going to learn about functions of a noun. functions of a noun. What kind of works does a noun do? How many kinds of functions does a noun do? A noun does many functions. Suppose functions of noun. Number one, noun acts as a subject. Noun acts as a subject. Mr. Raihan is coming. Mr. Raihan is coming. Here, Mr. Raihan is a noun. It is the subject of the verb come. It is the subject of the verb come. So, Mr. Raihan does the work of a noun and subject. As it is subject, it is doing the work of a subject. So we see that noun does the work of a subject. Then we eat rice. Very easy example. We eat rice. Here we subject, it is a verb and rice is an object. Of course, rice is a noun, it's a material noun. And object, subject. Rice is a noun and is doing the work of an object. So you can see, so we see that noun does the work of an object. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. You see, a teacher is a noun. She object is here a verb. Of course, it's an incomplete verb. So the word which completes the incomplete verb is called a complement. It's called a complement. So we have known that noun does the work of a complement. Then come to another classification. Other what a gift for Rani. Father bought a gift for Rani. You see, Rani is a noun and it is used after the preposition for. So, noun does the work of object of a preposition. Object of a preposition. Object of a preposition. Object of a preposition. Then come to another classification. Case in a position. Case in a position and write number 5. Functions of a noun. Case in a position. What is case in a position? First of all, we have to know what is case in a position. Case in a position is the word if two nouns sit side by side. Two nouns sit side by side. And the second noun denotes to second noun means the first noun. Then the second noun will be called case in a position of the first noun. Let's speak in Bengali for your better convenience. দুটি নাউন পাশাপাশি বসে যদি দ্বিতীয় নাউনটি প্রথম নাউনকে নির্দেশ করে তাহলে দ্বিতীয় নাউনকে প্রথম নাউনের সমকারক বলা হয়। সমকারক means case in a position. You see, Mr. Ahmed, come on, the master. Is a nice man. Mr. Ahmed and the headmaster. Mr. Ahmed is a noun. The headmaster also is a noun. You see, Mr. Ahmed and the headmaster, they sit side by side. And the second noun, the headmaster, means Mr. Ahmed. So, the second noun, Mr. Ahmed, will be called case in a position of the first noun. তার মানে, let's speak in Bengali for your better convenience. দুটি নাউন পাশাপাশি বসেছে, বসে দ্বিতীয় নাউনটি প্রথম নাউনকে নির্দেশ করেছে। For this reason, the headmaster here is a case in a position. Dear friends, we have learned already about the functions of a noun. 5 kind of functions a noun does. At the very beginning, we have learned about passive speeches. There are 8 kinds. Then we have learned about nouns. Noun is of mainly 2 kinds: concrete noun and abstract noun. Then we have learned about that concrete noun is of 4 kinds: proper noun, common noun, material noun, and collective noun. And last of all, we have gone to know that what kind of functions does a noun do. A noun does 5 kind of functions. Number 1, subject of a verb. Number 2, object of a verb. Number 3, complement of a verb. Number 4, object of a preposition. And number 5, case in a position. Case in a position. Case in a position. Case in a position. Okay. So, this time we are going to close our classes. We are going to close our class. We are going to finish our class. And your homework will be more about nouns. Your homework is more about